your homework tonight is to think about the possessive apostrophe. So we've looked at apostrophes before in class, and there are two different types of apostrophe that we can use in our writing. One of those is the apostrophe of omission, where we are putting in an apostrophe where letters or a letter is being missed out. So where we might push together cannot into can't, and the apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter there. Another way in which we can use apostrophes is the possessive apostrophe, and that's to show when something belongs to somebody. So you're going to have a couple of different sheets for homework this evening or over the weekend to complete, and I just want to run through them now and make sure you understand what it is you need to do. All of the sheets are looking for you to put in or write sentences, or even for some of you maybe a paragraph, including use of the possessive apostrophe. So this sheet here then, you'll be asked to look at the pictures and write a sentence to describe each picture using an apostrophe to show possession. So possession means who owns something. Okay, so the first picture is of a girl called Rachel, and I've highlighted that there in orange for you. Okay, now the girl's called Rachel, and you'll see further up that she's holding a train. So the train belongs to Rachel, and they've written the sentence, I'm just going to rub out my circle there we go, so we can read it. They've written the sentence, "This is Rachel's toy train." Okay, so the girl's Rachel, and the train belongs to her. So if we have a look, this is Rachel's toy train. We can see the apostrophe being used just here, apostrophe S. Okay, so what they've done is they've taken Rachel's name and put Rachel, but to show that the toy train belongs to her, they've used the apostrophe and then an S on the end. We have looked at this in class, so hopefully this is jogging your memory, but let's keep going through and see if it's not so far, see if we can jog your memory further. So the next girl is called Sophia, and Sophia is holding a teddy bear. So how could we use the sentence that's been done previously as a model for what we need to do here? Well, the first one had Rachel and a toy train, and they've written the sentence, "This is Rachel's toy train." So here, when we've got Sophia and a teddy bear, what could we write? What could we write? Have a think, and then I'm going to turn the page and see if you got it right. So we could write, "This is Sophia's teddy." Okay, and we're using Sophia and then apostrophe S to show that the teddy belongs to Sophia, that the teddy is Sophia's possession. Okay, so that's the first sheet you're going to have a little go at, and then the second sheet moves on to looking at sentences, but a very similar type of task. So you can see at the top it says, "I can use possessive apostrophes correctly. Rewrite each sentence below so it includes an apostrophe to show possession." The first one has been done for you. So let's look at the first one as our example, and then you can have a go at the other ones for homework. So A, Connor is looking at the bike which belongs to Isla. Now, I've got a couple of names here. So you first of all need to work out who does the bike belong to, and that's why I've highlighted bike which belongs to Isla. So it's Isla's bike. So Connor can just stay as it is. We don't need anything there. Connor is looking at, now when we come to Isla's bike, okay, we need to think about how do we show that the bike belongs to Isla? Well, we put Isla, apostrophe S, bike. Okay, so Connor is looking at the bike which belongs to Isla. Connor is looking at Isla's bike. Okay, apostrophe S on Isla to show the bike is hers. All right, so what I'd like you to do then is watch this video again if you need to, and then have a go at both those worksheets and see how you get on, and then we'll have a little sort of mini I say mini test, but a little fun mini test on Monday to see how you're getting on with using those apostrophes. Good luck.